Hello, this is Sliza Mita. So welcome to Style by Sliza. And yes, I did say Style by Sliza, but today we are still going to continue the personal finance management that I had started from last week. So I'm going to be doing the second part where we are going to be coming up with ways that we can earn more money. I'll get in depth into it. So with that, let's get into the video. So last week we spoke about personal finance, and on personal finance we mentioned active and passive income. And I'm not oblivious to the fact that there are people who don't have income. So what I would really like to know, so what what are you doing with your life? What are you doing to earn income? Are you a teacher? Are you a doctor? Are you a lawyer? Do you sell charcoal? What exactly do you do to earn an income? And in case you don't have one of those, I'm going to be sharing some ideas on what you can do if you are seated in the house and you really don't know how you can earn money, or you're looking for a second source of income to add on to the system that you already have. The first and the easiest way to earn an income, but it's going to earn a little bit of an income if you are mostly risk averse. It's using a savings account. If you open a savings account with, especially KCB is the one that I'm most complacent with. It has a 6.3% interest, but it's per annum, so not a lot really. That means if you save like 6,300 within a year, you're only going to get 630 from that amount. If you save 63,000, you're only going to get 6,300 from it. So it's not aggressive, but it's better than money just sitting there. So one of the easiest way, it's easy. Open a savings account. Either way, if you don't know what you want to do with that cash, just throw it in the savings account and let it earn some income. The second one, this is also for people who already have an active income, and you are seated there thinking, really, how can I diversify my income? How can I make it earn money? Because I have this 1,000 shillings, I have this 250 shillings, I have this 5,000 shillings, but I really don't know what to do with it. You can simply use unit trust. Now, unit trust is an excellent part of passive income. The simplest way I can explain unit trust so that everyone can understand, it's a system that has a manager who pulls in funds from different people. For example, I can have like 250 shillings, someone else has 1,000 shillings, another person has 10,000 shillings, and they put in that system, and then that manager invests in a business or in companies' shares, derivatives, all of those things, and the interest that they gain from it, they share it with us who placed our money into that. So unit trust is an excellent passive income. And if you've not thought about it, I would advise that you start researching on places like, now if you have little cash, for example, places like Zimele allows you to invest as low as 250 shillings. There are other areas like Genghis also has a good interest rate of 9.88%. Places like Saiton, places like I see Lion, there is called DigiTrust. The interest rate of unit trust is amazing. It's way better than putting it in a savings account, because as you know, savings account is per annum, but unit trust, you get to earn it. It accrues interest per day, but when they say 9% interest, that does not mean per day. It mostly means per month. So when you look at, as opposed to putting my money in KCB account, in KCB savings account, which will earn 6.3% per year, and putting it in a place, let's say like Genghis, that has 9.88, and that I earn it per month, it is way better to put it here. So you should consider, I would advise that you do further research on it. Not down places like Saiton, because they give an interest rate of over 10%. Most of them have a minimum amount that you can put into their account. For most of them, the minimum amount should be 500, but Zimele is the one that offers the lowest for 250. So you should check them really advise for someone who's trying to build an active income, which means it means daily management. I would say thrifting or selling your services. So let's start with thrifting. For thrifting, that means you can go to places like get the clothes. There you get clothes for around 30 shillings, you can get for 50 shillings, you can get for 100, you can get for 300, and then come and sell it and target people. For example, if you are my friend, just like a like, and get that cloth, come and sell it to me for at a higher price, and then when I pay you, that becomes your capital. Okay, but keep in mind that still this is capital, but the capital is significantly lower when I'm talking about clothes. If clothes is not your MO, or it's not your go-to place, you can talk about curtains also. You can go to toy market, or still the same place, Gikomba or Kamkunji, and collect really good curtains and come and sell it to people. For those ones who are so busy with work and they have no time to go to places, or they don't have time to go to places, and definitely get the curtains and sell them to them at a fee, which of course you should earn profit. And when you're earning that profit, you should consider the transport that you put in, and you should consider the capital that you've also placed in, and the profit margin that you'd like to pay. All those things should be captured in your price tag. Other than clothes, curtain, shoes, you can do also makeup, you can do earrings, you can do coats. Like there's a vast jewelries. Yes, there's a vast array of items that you can sell to people at a fee and get it back. Number two, selling services. Selling services is the easiest, because as opposed to products needs capital. Service doesn't really need capital, but it does need a consumer base. It needs customers that you can target. One of the things that I would really recommend is you do an errand-based business. For example, like I've mentioned, the people who are so busy with work, they are at work at 8 or even earlier, and they are back at around 5, or they're 5 to or 6 or 7. They are into the kitchen cooking for children, or taking other meetings, or going into class. Their schedule is just crazy, and they don't even get time to do some personal errands, like shop for themselves, like send items to the poster, those kind of things that messengers do. You can also figure out, if you have such people in your life, you can ask them, I've noticed that you are doing this and this and this. I could do these errands for you at a fee. Yes. So you can sell your services. Other than doing the errands, you can also see if you're really good in music, or you are really talented in it, and you have information on how to read musical scores, how to play instrument. You can also charge people for those services. You can have music classes, and you train people on how to read the scores, on how to read music, on how to interpret the musical instrument, and also how to interpret the musical score. The second one is also the one that I also do it. It's about styling. For someone like me, styling comes easy. That means I look at pieces and I can easily get, this color goes with this color, this pattern goes with this pattern, this color is really good for your skin tone. Or you need to declutter, okay, according to your environment or your schedule, this type of style would be really versatile for you. Or what type of style are you going for? Do you have a lot of neutrals in your closet and you don't know really how to mix them? Or do you have a lot of bold colors and bold patterns in your closet and you're struggling to mix them up? Or you're also trying to make your style a little more energetic and a little more to reflect who you are. That is where I come in. I am literally the link between what you are, what you want to become, and what you have in your closet. So I sell style, not fashion, and I make your style work for you. So that is a service-oriented skill, and I charge people for it. service feature that you can also sell is if you feel like you are a good, or your friends have told you this, that you are really really good at structure, you have knowledge in the finance, or maybe you went to school and did accounting, you did finance, you did quantitative analysis, you also did economist, or anything that you just did that is on a finance background, and things like managing your finances and managing people's finances, building up spreadsheet of expenditure, the savings, amount of money that someone should be spending according to their income, uh, how much more can they, what should they need to get rid of to get to their target goals. If such things come easy for you, you can also charge. Since YouTube works with algorithm, I'm going to ask you to humbly subscribe to my channel if you are new here. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for watching this content. I really really do appreciate. And also share and leave me a comment on the comment section. And then if you're here because of the fashion videos or the style videos, I would really really request you to follow me on Instagram, because there I post daily, and I also do the real videos for style inspired videos. Yeah, so until next time, peace out.